back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, today we are going to be doing an unboxing slash review of the Aliexpress, well, of a store on Aliexpress called LUVIN Boutique Store. It is a hair store, and you know, it's my first time that I ordered off of Aliexpress, so I'm a little nervous, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if this hair is gonna be up to par. This video is not sponsored, okay? I used my own money, so I took a big risk, especially because I didn't just buy one, I bought 4 items from this one store. I took a big chance, so hopefully, hopefully God is on my side with this one. Let's just say that. Okay. It came in this, bag, so it's not really an unboxing. It's more of an unbagging situation we got going on here. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into this video and we're gonna get started. So let's go. Period. Point blank. Simple. All right. So jumping right into it. I had already opened it because I was so excited and I just wanted to see. But I got 3 wigs and damn, this bag is loud. I got 3 wigs and some bundles and a frontal. Just gonna take everything out the bag. I'm excited. We don't need that. All of this stuff. Let me just. We're gonna start with the platinum blonde joint. The platinum blonde joint. Don't try to steal that. That's it. I what you call it? I trademarked it. Anywho, so it comes in a bag. I got this in 22 inches. It says honey blonde, but this looks like platinum. I mean, I think I've seen platinum before, but whatever. This is the 613. Oh, Lord of mercy. This, oh, by the way, I like my nails. Yeah, I got them done at a regular nail salon. Her name is Sissy. I know, I laughed too. Okay, first of all, shedding already. Like, get off of me. Shedding already. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. It feels, I didn't even tell you, I didn't even finish telling y'all the damn name. 613 honey blonde, 13x4 HD lace front. It's a T part, which I did not know. I don't like T parts. Yeah, I can't part this. Yeah, it is shedding a little bit. Let me see when I brush. It feels good though. It's soft. The ends, they're a little stringy, but I can always cut that because I plan on curling this anyways. But yeah, shedding. I'm noticing as I run my fingers through it, it's starting to shed a lot. I do plan on dyeing this, so hopefully, when I dye it, it doesn't. Hopefully, when I dye it, it doesn't shed like crazy. Rating it from 1 to 10, I would say the softness of it, that's probably like a 8, maybe 7.5, because I felt softer hair. I felt softer 613 hair, and this is not, the quality of the ones I felt before. So I don't know. We're gonna see when I dye it. I'm gonna dye it. You're gonna see. Oh my God, y'all gonna see. Shedding. You get a 5, cause I don't. Oh my God. This shit is everywhere. So yeah, that's the first one. You know what I'm saying? It's good with the texture and everything, but shedding wise, okay. Next up we have the bundles. They're body weight. I got 18, 20, and thick thing. And the frontal is 12 inches. I don't know why they didn't have the option for 14, 16, 18, 20. Maybe it's supposed to give that like look. But this is the frontal, and it's 13x6 because I want it ear to ear. Okay. I'm liking the way the lace looks already. I mean, it's folded now, so it looks a little dark. It's very thin. What kind of lace is this? I don't know. It don't say what kind of lace, but this is how the frontal looks. Okay. I do wish that the frontal was a little bit deeper so that I could part deeper than this. You know what I'm saying? But it's whatever. Okay. Absolutely no shedding. Running my fingers through it, there is no shedding on this frontal at all. Sometimes the frontal is different than the actual bundles. Like sometimes the bundles, it'll be a whole nother texture and they'll be like, what? You know what I'm saying? But the frontal's good. It's thin, like super thin. You know what I'm saying? So this will be very easy to blend into my scalp, my forehead, whatever the hell, you know what I'm saying? But that's the frontal. It's actually That's 12 inches? That look 12 inches, y'all? Yeah, that's 12 inches. That's 12 inches. But yeah, because of the length of that frontal, I'm definitely gonna have to cut 16, just a little bit, like towards the front, so that it gives a nice little layered look, you know what I'm saying? Let me see what these bundles is hitting for though. The frontal is a lot softer. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. I might have to measure it. It don't look like 20. This look like 18. No. I could work with it. No, there isn't any shedding. Like even with the bundles, the same thing as the frontal, there's absolutely no shedding with this hair whatsoever. So this, from 1 to 10, the shedding definitely gets a 10. But yes, I plan on doing a video of me constructing, I plan on doing a video, I plan on doing a video of me constructing this wig. Hopefully 3 bundles is enough. It looks like it's gonna be enough because I do double my wefts. So hopefully this will be enough. For this, overall, it could get a 9.5. We're gonna go with 9.5 because only thing I don't like is the texture different from the bundles than it is from the frontal. Moving on. So next, we have this beautiful baby that I am so excited and I cannot freaking wait. Okay, this is their 360 full straight lace human hair frontal. Okay, why does it look, oh that's the net. I was about to say, let me send this shit back. So yes, this is their 360 13x6 frontal. I got it in 22 inches, you know, just in case I do want to trim it or make it, you know, look more natural, because I do plan on putting it in ponytails. I want it to look as natural as possible. So yeah, the lace is HD lace, so I feel like this will be very easy when I install it. But I don't mean me, like I'm not gonna install it because I don't know how to do that. I'm just now starting to learn how to install my own frontals. I did this one like today, you know, I've done another one before, but I'm learning how to install my own frontals, but that way, you know, I don't have to pay. I'll be broke sometimes. The frontal, it looks I don't know, it looked like it's pre-plucked in some parts and in some parts it's not. I don't freaking know. I'm definitely gonna do some more plucking. We definitely gonna have to pluck that back. Oh child. Yeah. So as I've been running my fingers through it, it has been shedding. I got hair all over me and didn't even notice. Yeah, so this one sheds, sadly. I feel like it's gonna start thinning out before I even get a chance to like really style it how I want to style it. Like, damn. I was really looking forward to this one because it's 360, you know what I'm saying? You can do any style with this. Like, you can, see, that's where they fucked me up at though. Only thing is, you cannot part all the way down. You can only part on the lace. So, you know, maybe like 2 braids in the front, or maybe like a ponytail, or I could try a bun, I don't know. But yeah, I thought it was full lace, but it's not. It's just frontal. It does have the clips on the back if I want to tighten it, but I just need a little more stretch just in case, you know, because I got a big head. So I don't know, hopefully it stays. It also comes with the combs. It has 1 comb in the back and then 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle. I don't really have any hair under here since I chopped it all off, so I don't even know if those combs are going to be necessary. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. The texture is really nice. I don't know about it's very, very thick in the middle and thins down towards the ends. Hopefully that changes when I flat iron it and style it and all of that. So I'm gonna dye it, I'm gonna curl it, see how well it takes to the heat. I'm also, that 613, I'm gonna see how that takes to the heat too, because I don't know. Okay, and last but not least, this bad boy right here. This is their ombre water curly lace front. The color is the color for me. Very fall, like very September. I'm ready for the cold, kind of, a little bit. I love hoodies. I've been wearing hoodies a couple weeks in the summertime. People look at me like, I'm like, this one, oh sorry. This lace is not like the other lace. I believe the other ones were transparent HG lace, but this one is just regular, you know, old lace. I plan on installing this like as soon as it gets cold, like as soon as it gets cold. And I'm not gonna run my fingers through it just yet because I don't want to tangle it or mess it up, but very, very cute. I love the highlights. I love the dark brown. Yeah, I'm excited for this. I have never had water wave, deep wave, none of that curly wave shit. I ain't never had none of it. I've always wanted one because it looks so natural and it looks so cute. Like, I am so excited to spray this with some water and put some conditioner in it and make it look so fire. But yeah, I got this in first. Let me tell y'all, I had ordered it in, I think, 22 inches, and then I had contacted the seller and said I wanted 26 inches. Very, very quick with the responses. I had no issues whatsoever getting in contact with them. The change for this was so simple. All I had to do was just pay the difference between the 22 inches and the 26 inches, which I think is like $54. Not, come on, that's 4 inches, cuz. She was very, she or he, they, whatever, very nice about it. They didn't, you know, wasn't like, ugh, why didn't you just order the 26 inches, you know? Because some people are very disrespectful. But this has 3 combs on it, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle behind the lace. This lace is thicker, I'm not gonna lie to you, so it might be a little harder. Like, it might not look as natural as I plan or want it to. There's slight shedding on it, just a little bit, okay? All curly hair sheds, I could say that, but the bundles, they didn't shed, so I'm a little hype about that. This one also has the strap in the back just in case I want to make it tighter. So that's good for security, you know. But yeah, the texture is really nice though. It's thick. I got this in 180 density. When it dries, it's definitely gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? I have to see how long it lasts with like these curls in it, how it looks before it dries, how it looks when it does dry. I love this look. I love the wet curl look. I don't really like when hair dries, like when this type of hair dries, because it starts to turn into like these type of curls. So hopefully it won't look how I don't want it to look, you know? And I do plan on doing a video of an install with this. My very first install. That'll be my debut install on my channel. I'll try to get that video up before, hopefully, before October. No, don't hold me to it, okay? I cannot wait. And I've been running my fingers through it after I said I wouldn't run my fingers through it, and it's getting puffy. So let me just stop. Let me leave it alone. BT dubs, you know, I am not a professional hairstylist. If it's soft, I know it's supposed to be like that. I know if it's, you know, like synthetic mixed with human hair, you know, I could pinpoint that stuff, but I am not a professional. So, you know, my reviews are just based off of my personal opinions of hair I've tried before and the difference between these ones now. You know what I'm saying? So this is just my opinion and what I think about the hair. It's little to nothing. So yeah, but I will be doing another review once I've worn the wigs and once I've installed them. And like I said, I'll be doing a install video and also a construction wig video. Hopefully I can get those up, like I said, before October. Please do not hold me to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Overall, I would say that the hair textures and the lace is a-okay, like that. Okay. As far as the shedding goes, that's the only bad thing about it. You know, we're gonna see how long that lasts and see how well it holds up over the time that I wear it and over the time that I dye it and style it and put heat to it and everything like that. Besides that, the seller was very easy to get in contact with. There was no issues when I had to switch the length of my hair. It was quick, easy. You know, it came, I think maybe a week and maybe like 2 days it took for it to come. But overall, I give him 4 stars. And the only reason I'm not giving him 5 is because of the shedding. I can't stand that, you know. So I'll see how it holds up with color and see how it holds up with like heat and stuff like that. Like I said, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, just leave it down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, turn your post notifications on so you know when I post, even though I know I haven't been consistent, but I got you. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna make a strong comeback. Hi. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye.